just wanted to hop on here with a quick video to show you some brand new printables that just released in my Etsy shop. So there is a link down below in the description to my Etsy shop if you're interested in any of these goodies. There are lots of other designs and fun things you'll find over there. You guys love seeing different printables, that you're using for just journaling in general, for planners, or maybe for a specific devotional. And so I had been getting a lot of requests a while back to do some printables for the ByTheWell4God kits. And I'm going to leave a link down below to their shop as well. And I have shared other videos using printables with their devotionals, and so I'll link those in the description. But this is the whole collection that is going to go along with their newest kit, Holy, Holy, Holy. It has these adorable little people in them that are, I don't know, it's like this retro vintage style. They're just adorable. These colors are the colors you'll find in that kit, and they are so stinking cute. I love the colors they chose for it, and so I couldn't wait to get my hands on doing some new fun designs and colors for you guys. So the whole collection that you'll find in my Etsy shop is called Holiness. So if you are looking for printables just for that kit, you can search for Holiness under in my Etsy shop, and it'll bring up this collection. So I'm going to just show you real quick a few of the things that are there. We have some Polaroid note cards, which I love and you guys seem to really love. You get a set of blank, so this one's fun for adding some notes on it. And then this one has some like collage mixed texture backgrounds on them, which is good for layering, or even you could put like one of these little grid blocks over the top of it and do some notes over the top. That's what I like to do. And you get a big punch of color and fun and paint look without pulling out all the messy paints. So here are the little grid blocks. 2 pages with this one as well. I absolutely adore these. They're good for just about everything. Making tabs, making notes. I love them. So those are, you'll get 2 pages with that one. And then here are the little speech bubbles, which are really fun for layering. Also for tabs if you wanted. And you could even, of course, write your little notes on them. And then some journaling cards made their appearance, which I love with this plain grid background. It's really fun for just making some quick notes on it, or, putting as a layer. If you like, I like to put these together too, make like a little pop-out booklet, or adding them as tip-ins, and the traveler's notebook that you get with the devotional kit. That way you just have even more room for writing out all the things, because I'm a big wordy person and I like to have plenty of room for notes. And then I have this little sticky note collection. I like to print it now on regular copy paper, and then this is just on cardstock, so it's a little thicker. But this I like on the thin paper because it gives you more of that like a sticky note pad feeling. And then I can just put adhesive, of course, on the back of it, but just at the top, and then it almost peels up, like a sticky note. So there's 2 pages with that collection. This one has lines and the other one does not, and it's all colored in. There's other goodies over there, the art elements, the collage arts, which I adore. Those are really, really cute because of the color scheme. It just went great. Page starters, all sorts of things, some washi strips. So head over to the shop. The whole collection is called Holiness. Let me know if you're working through their devotional kit in the comments. I would love to hear. And also, I just want to remind you that no matter how much time you have on your hands, printables, I feel like, are just such a fun, great way to help you. If you want to get artistic in your Bible, printables, all the work's done for you. You just print, cut them out, and put them down in your Bible. Now, you don't have to have printables, of course, to Bible journal, but if you are wanting to have some of that color and art, artistic part of your Bible, this is a great way to do it. I get asked, I just had someone comment recently and say, how do you have time, blah, blah, blah. And this is how, because of printables. I don't always pull out all the paints and watercolors and things like that, but I love things like this and that set of collage arts that's over in my shop. I love printing it on sticker paper, and all the work is done for me, and it looks like I've pulled out paint and done little water fleeks and all sorts of fun things. So that is my word of encouragement to you. I would love to know, like I said, if you're working through the kit, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed and click that little bell button or icon, and that will let you know when the next video is coming out. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all again soon. Bye-bye.